Hi, my name is Hannah Watlington, and I'm going to show you 4 ways to make this delicious cake. First off, we're going to read our recipe. Make sure we have all the ingredients we need. Make sure you have your vegetable oil, your cake mix, your icing, your grease, your pan, your bowl, your whisk, your measuring cup, and your eggs. Then, we're going to get all our ingredients together. We're going to make sure we have a proper size pan. Then we're going to preheat our oven. Our oven says to preheat to 350. We preheat our oven. Our second thing, we're going to grease our pan. We're going to get our pan, and we're going to get our grease. We do this because we don't want to have any of the cake sticking to the pan. No fun. Our third thing, we're going to add all our ingredients and mix. We're going to get our oil, and we're going to read our thing once again. You put 3 eggs in the bowl. Let's get our eggs ready, get our eggs out. Gotta get your cake mix out. We're going to put our cake mix into a bowl. Make sure and try to get all of it. Once you get your cake mix in the bowl, you're going to put your eggs in. Make sure you get no shells in it. Always have a trash can close by just in case. There you go. Then we're going to add our vegetable. We need 1/3 cup of vegetable. Make sure you get it just right. Just a little too much. That's about it. You're going to pour it into your bowl as well. Then you need 1 cup of water. So I'm going to go to the sink and get a cup of water. The buzzer goes off. You grab your cake pan and you put it in the center of the oven. You want to put it in the center of the oven just in case it doesn't cook just more on one side. You want to make sure it can cook all together so you have a good, nice cake. Now, there comes waiting again. You have to wait until you get your finishing product. After the cake is done, you take it out of the oven. You let it sit about 10-20 minutes until it's kind of colder so your icing can smooth on better, which I've already let it sit, so we're okay. You get your icing out and you smear it on. Got to be very careful not to rip the cake. Don't want a lot of dents in it. Be sure to smear it real nice and smooth so it's not caked on. You make sure when you take your cake out it's a little browner, just so that you don't have to worry about the icing coming, like having doughiness inside of the cake. sure you get down on the sides of your cake. Don't want parts of your cake not to have icing. Your icing may melt a little when you're smearing it on. Just depends on how long you let it sit. That's perfectly fine. Put as much icing as you need. Container. Some people use 2 containers. Smooth it on real smooth. And after that, you're done. You have your cake in 4 easy steps. Thanks.